Since Halloween is just around the corner, I'm making the Batman bat signal. But before all that, it all starts with a piece of paper on which I traced the Batman sign, and I'd cut this earlier. After that, we'll worry about the lighting situation, for which I just got this LED strip. It's an RGB strip, so let's do the required connections. Connect it and it spins to life. Next, we'll add layers to the symbol to make it stiffer. Then cut out cardboard strips and put it at a 90-degree angle, because this will be the place where the LEDs would rest on. Time to paste these strips, so I'm just going ahead with that. Once it's all complete, we can put on the strips and mark the location where we'll hang this. Now, if you enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe. I think it turned out great, and especially the light bouncing off of the wall looks great. And since I went to college, I made this for my hostel room, and despite all of that, I still love making YouTube videos.